Hello and welcome again to English with Rudy. In this lesson, we will learn how to use do, does, and did. So, do, does, and did are verbs, and we use them in questions and negative sentences. However, we can also use them for short answers. Okay, so let's start with this lesson. First of all, please remember that do and does are used in the present tense, and did is used in the past tense. Okay, now let's look at how to use do, does, and did in questions. Keep in mind that in questions, verbs come before subjects. Okay, so do is used with I, we, you, and they. For example, do I know you? Do we have any more milk? Do you speak French? Do they come here often? And does is used with he, she, and it. For example, does he live in Shillong? Does she play tennis? Does it work? So instead of using he, she, and it, we can also use nouns. For example, does Peter live in Shillong? Does Hannah play tennis? Does this clock work? And did is used with all the subjects. For example, did I snore last night? Did we buy bread? Did you know the answer? Did they come to the party? Did he pay the bill last month? Did she call you yesterday? Did it hurt? Now let's see how to use do, does, and did in negative sentences. Let me remind you that do, does are used in present tense and did is used in past tense. Alright, let's try answering some of the questions using negative sentences. Do I know you? No, you do not know me. Or, you don't know me. Do you speak French? No, I don't speak French. Does he live in Shillong? No, he doesn't live in Shillong. Does it work? No, it doesn't work. Did we buy bread? No, we didn't buy bread. Did she call you yesterday? No, she didn't call me yesterday. One thing I would like to point out here is that sometimes we make mistakes and say, I didn't knew the answer, or they didn't came to the party. Please make sure that when you use did or didn't, the verb that follows should not be in the past form. Now let's see how to use do, does, and did in short answers. In a conversation, we normally use short answers. So if the question is, do they come here often? It would sound more natural if you say, yes, they do, or no, they don't, instead of saying, yes, they come here often, and no, they don't come here often. Let's look at a few more examples. Does it work? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Did he pay the bill last month? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. It's important to learn short answers because your responses will sound more natural. You can practice some more by watching this video I made on short answers. I'll leave a link of this video here and in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching English with Rudy, and bye for now.